integration tip is focusing on using ActivInspire, and specifically within the ActivInspire software, how to embed links or embed files in a particular flipchart. So for example, you're looking at a sample flipchart right now, and each one of these words has an action associated with it. So that notice that when I scroll over the word, a little play button appears. So for example, if I would click here on the different resources that you have available to you for training or for more information about ActivInspire, you can always contact me. So when I click on that, then a crazy picture of me opens up, but notice that the action occurs on this word. So when they click on Tech Integrator, a picture pops up. Or you also have the Technology Integration Tips blog, where there's an archive of video tutorials that are available for Promethean's ActivInspire. So when I would click on Tech Tips blog, automatically the Tech Tip blog is going to open. You'll notice that instead of seeing this full URL appear at the top of the page on the flipchart, instead of actually seeing all of that, you can write text on there and make it a hyperlink so that when you click on that, automatically the page is going to open. In addition, you have the planet's active tips section from the planet. So when you click on that, it opens up to the Promethean planet. And on the planet, you'll notice that there's active tips, which is a bunch of different tutorials that Promethean ActivInspire or Promethean Planet has added that are training tutorials. Notice that there's the ActivInspire version that we're currently running, and then the other versions that used to run within the district. And notice anything here from magic revealers to extracting text using the ticker tape, pen modifiers, restrictors, some really basic features, and some other features that are available here that are more advanced features are all available on active tips. So you have a lot of different resources available to you to be able to learn how to use your ActivInspire software a lot more. In addition, we want to look at how to set up these links. So basically the thing that you want to first do is create your flipchart and add your words or even images. You could add an image onto your flipchart and make an action set to that image. Once you have the words down that you know that you want to embed there, right here, resources that you need to know about, I want to make that an action, and what I want that to do is I want that to open up the top 10 teaching tips from Promethean itself. So I'm going to highlight this URL here and hit Control-C to copy that, and then I'm going back to my flipchart, and what I want to go to is Insert, and notice it's Link, and you can choose File or a website. Here I'm going to choose Website, and I want to hit Control-V to paste in the website that I want, and I want to add the link as an existing object. Now it asks for what's the existing object. I want to click on the ... to see all the objects on my flipchart. So here when I click on it, the text objects or the shapes that would be here, I don't want it on that one, and I want it on this one, so that's the resources. I can click OK and OK, and now that becomes an actual link. The same thing would occur with a file. If I would go to Insert Link and choose File, that's how I inserted the picture. So you would find the file, maybe it's a Word document, maybe it's a PDF. You double click on the file, and now add the link here again as an existing object, choose the ... and then you would go ahead and choose the option that you want it to be embedded on. Now, in addition, if you want to change this text around, you have to take this out of what's called presentation mode, because anytime I click on any one of these now, it's going to go straight to the link. So if I click on this snowflake right here and make it red, I now can click in the text that's here, and I can actually edit the text or highlight the text or make any changes that I want. So this is ActivInspire's way to be able to insert links or files into your flipchart so that you can have students click on particular words or objects and an action will appear. Enjoy your day.